In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the animation object. To add an animation, we're going to go ahead and click on the Utilities tab and click on Animation. And then I'm going to draw a box. The arrow on the animation box is pointing in the direction that an object should be set on the animation box. I'm going to go ahead and add a car. Now, by default, this car is not pointing in the correct direction of the animation box, so I need to make sure that the car is pointing in the correct direction. And then I want to set the car on the animation box. To make the car move, I'm going to select the animation box, and then I'm going to enable Use Path, and then adjust the path. And then I'm going to enable Preview Animation to see what it looks like. If I want the car to go faster, I can adjust the speed. And then we can preview the animation again. If you don't want your animation to continue looping, we can disable Loop at the end of path. We can also adjust if we want it to snap to the ground, to go up terrain, or if you want something to take off like a plane. The animation box is also really good for animating something like a ceiling fan. So I'm going to go ahead and add a ceiling fan and position it as I want, and then go ahead and add another animation box. Now in this case, it's actually very important that the animation box is square. And we also want to make sure we elevate it so it's touching the ceiling fan. To get the fan to rotate, I can adjust the rotation speed Y, and then preview animation. As we can see, the gazebo is also rotating, so we need to fix that. Go ahead and select on the gazebo. I'm going to press the J key on the keyboard for the Advanced Object Properties. That's the same as right-clicking and selecting Advanced Object Properties. And then I want to disable Allow Object to be Animated. Click OK. And then when I click on the animation box and preview again, we'll see that the ceiling fan only animates. As we can see, the fan isn't spinning perfectly. That's because the animation box isn't perfectly centered to the ceiling fan model. I like going into plan view to line things up better. Now we're going to preview that animation again. Now you can see it's rotating in a lot smoother animation. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com or email support@ideaspectrum.com.